cousin's birthday. Our mom are best friends. Alrighty guys, so I don't know when the last time I updated you guys, but the travel here was amazing. I am now on the way to the shuttle, on the way to our resort. Look what it looks like. Guys, it feels so good because at home in the US it was literally freezing. But here it's so sunny. Alrighty guys, so I've officially made it to my room. We are all checked in. Look how cute it is. It is not the swimming pool that I wanted, but I'm just so blessed and grateful to be here that doesn't even matter. Just to be in the warm air. I think I had to talk to you guys about why I'm even here. But it is my cousin's birthday. Our mom are best friends, and so it's her birthday. We're celebrating her, and it's December, so y'all already know it's my birthday too. So I'm gonna celebrate me as well. That was my justification of coming on this trip. I am here for like 4 or 5 days. 4 days, 5 nights. I forgot what it said, but basically I'm here all the way till Sunday, so I'm so excited to take you guys along. I kind of already settled in the room because this warm air got it so good. So I'll give you guys a quick room tour. Nothing too much. Boom, that's me. So glad I made it here. Safe travels. And then that's like the bathroom, shower area. Don't mind me, I already started unpacking my suitcase and all my stuff. And then this is the bed. Very, very nice. This is the hotel we're staying at as well. It's like a resort, all inclusive. Thank you, Jesus. And then boom, it's like a sitting area. And then guys, the beach is right here. This view, I don't think I can get enough of it. I'm gonna go out there right now and like just read. I don't even want to hop in right now, but look at that. So good. There's music out here, so these palm trees. So I just have to go through here to get to the beach, and then there's like a shower right there, and then all these cabanas. I love them. This is right outside from the hotel, so you guys can see. It's so nice, but your girl is ready to eat. So I'm about to change and see if I can grab a quick bite because we're not going to dinner as a group until like 6. And it's already, what, just 2 o'clock right now. So, yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and bring you guys along with me. I'm so excited and so blessed to be here. I'm getting used to vlogging in public again. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot about you guys. But it is now like 8 o'clock and it started raining, y'all. Raining. And I'm like, uh-oh, am I in focus? Why is it raining? And so tonight we're going to dinner and the dress code is orange, and so we're all wearing orange, but I'm confused why it's raining. But anyway, my hair is frizzing up and it's humid outside, so we're about to get some dinner at the Santa Fe restaurant and celebrate Shay's birthday. Happy birthday, Shay. I'm so happy for you. We're already running late, so I gotta hurry up. If you're not camera ready, I'm sorry. I mean, not sorry. And that's the truth. That is the truth indeed. Okay, what are we eating tonight? This is the menu. Let's see what we're getting. Angel said hi to Kara. Follow her on TikTok. What's your TikTok? Drop it. At Angel LaShawn. Follow me. just finished dinner. Angel, how you feel about dinner, girl? It was not the best.
Dinner wasn't really, you know, a 10
But we here for Shay.
recommend.
Literally here for Shay.
But we're gonna have high hopes that the Lord is gonna do better for us tomorrow.
Hey, Miss T in the cut, Miss T in the cut. Y'all, she's a teacher too. It's one of my teachers. What grade you teach?
Kindergarten.
Yes, I will never do that. But what's your favorite part about teaching for my teaching channel? It's a little pop-in interview.
Just loving on the kids.
Oh, we love her.
Seeing
Y'all,
them
this used to
progress
be
and grow.
my mommy's best friend when she was here, so I appreciate her and love her a lot. Love it. So cute. Thank you. All the
She was raising the flag. With my basic Spanish, I understood escuela oportunidad. Wanted to give kids of the barrio a better opportunity at education. In the world, we rate number 74 of 78 countries for quality of education. We're on the bottom. We have a new president. He's doing the right things, but he's realistic. So it's not a one-year fix. It's a generational fix, but we got to plant a seed. So he's done that. To get a good education, you got to have a good wallet. It cost me $500. That they're not afraid of anyone. By this time, they know the vowels, they know the colors, they know the days of the week, they know all of that stuff. And being a kid is about having fun. So the more fun you make education, the more we're going to learn. You'll see that nobody's acting like a clown, nobody's disruptive. And part of me bringing you here is to expose them to people from around the world that don't look just like them. We all need to look at the world, not on Fox News and CNN, but in real life. And don't fear the person who looks different than you and wears different clothing and everything else, because here's a little saying I came up with. What we see on the surface is a wrapping paper on the same gift. Underneath it all, we can exchange hearts, kidneys, livers, lungs, the whole bit. We're Lexus and Toyota. We're Volkswagen Audi. So, for this grade level, it's about learning the basics, having fun, knowing how to smile. We have an attendance of 90% come every day. National average is around 40%. So, niños, here's a día.
Estamos al día de la semana.
step up from Malibu and coconut. But before we get to the flavors, we're going to do some rum. Now, does anyone drink wine?
Yeah.
You ever do wine shooters?
I forgot to update you guys. It is day 2 of our trip, and she just booked this amazing excursion. We went to the school, we just did some rum tasting, and y'all know I don't drink, but I did have a little sippy sip, and it was pretty good. So now we're going to the chocolate factory.
As a producer, we are number 9 in the world for overall cacao production. That being said, we produce 1% of all the commercial chocolate or cacao in the world. We are, on the other hand, number 1 in the world at organic cacao. Most of our cacao just grows naturally. It's like scattered farming where you just throw the seeds out and it grows. It grows into a pod like so. It's like a little football. Inside that football are a bunch of little seeds. You clean them, you put them out in the sun to dry, and you end up looking like those right there. Like a nut. So you break them up, and you end up having nibs and husk. Now you can try one of those if you'd like eating a nut.
Straight chocolate. Right here.
Funnel already on it, and that adds a little moisture to it. Comes out as cocoa liqueur. Goes into a cheesecloth and then to this tender press. That extracts the oil from the cocoa. So you end up with a cocoa cake, which is like this right here.
Oh, wow.
No problem.
Oh, wow.
That's like you're picking up a rock.
Yes.
That's about 18 pounds. That's about $450.
Let me get my muscles ready. Oh, wow. It's like a baby. Yeah.
Happy Easter.
That's pretty good. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Now, I had a bug bite. My wife,
Oh, good. I have this.
she has typical Afro kinky hair, and she puts cocoa butter in it twice a week, just to help kind of unkink it a bit. And plus, if you smell your hand, you smell like a chocolate bar. If you want to do your fingernails without a lacquer, let's say you've got natural nails.
Like this one, but the difference is the base. Base of this one is white chocolate, and this one is dark. Would you like to try?
Oh my god.
And you said like that?
I'll try it.
Don't you like coffee?
Spicy? Yes. We got orange, if you like orange.
Is this chili?
Yeah,
Cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I was like. The spicy one.
the spicy.
Spicy.
There's your addiction, there's your pleasure. In cheaper cigars, they put all of that in. This, by the way, gets sold to the cigarette companies as waste. Now, when they build a cigar, it'll be what they refer to as long filler. So, what you light at this end is what you're smoking here, all the way through. So he'll take the tobacco, he'll break that off, put that in the middle, like so, and he'll wrap it with a binder leaf. Long filler. This is what short filler is. When you buy that $1.99 Quickie Mart cigar, when you buy that Swisher Sweet, when you buy that crap cigar,
That's what they do.
it's all that, short filler. Now, the thing is, you don't know what's really in that short filler because it's everything that was scraped off the floors and put together. So when you make a good tomato sauce, this is a finished product. It's putting the band on by hand with a machine. So I take 2 of these. Weren't done at the same time. And line them up and they're perfect. not with a jig or a laser, with a hand. Everyone is inspecting one at a time as well. So these cigars have problems on the end. So these will be, it's just a bad wrapper. I have two wrappers because they're big. You always start from the foot of the cigar and roll to the mouth. The adhesive they're using is derived from a tree sap out of Brazil. Totally neutral. And that'll take about 5 months before it's ready to go. See how wet it is on the inside? That's about a $12 cigar.
Oh, that's what my son likes.
Now, who would like to try to make one? You're going to take his chair. You're going to roll a cowboy cigar.